I've gotten this question quite a bit over the past couple days, so I thought I'd do a super quick video to show you exactly how this works. So if you have looked into Tovala, you notice that these are the little dishes that you are cooking your Tovala meal in. One is usually for the side and one is for the meat. And so guess what? If you want to cook 2 meals, you have to have 4 little dishes here. So how does this work? Can you cook 2 meals at the same time? I know the Tovala oven looks fairly small, and I'm gonna apologize for that dirty oven inside. I know I need to clean it, but it really easily fits 4 meals. Or 4 trays, I'm sorry, and 2 meals. So close it. You can see it really easily fits 4 trays for 2 meals. Each meal typically has 2 different trays. Obviously, if it's a salad or something that doesn't need to be cooked, you don't need to put it in a tray, but most meals require 2 trays. And so it really easily holds 4 trays. People have asked me a lot about it. It doesn't quite look like it, but it's actually deceivingly deep. And you can cook 2 meals, one for you, one for your partner, spouse, kids, whatever, as long as they are the same meal. That is the only caveat. You can't cook like steak and chicken. They have to have the same cook time. And so as long as they have the same cook time, they're the same meal, you can cook them both at the same time, just the way you normally do by hitting the scan button, scan the code, closing it, and there you go. It cooks 2 meals, 4 pans at exactly the same time. I hope that answers the questions. I've been getting a lot about this. People think, is this really big enough to cook 2 separate meals? And it is. Very easily fits 4 pans. I've seen some people see that the left side or the right side may be warmer or cooler than the other. I haven't had that experience. Maybe it's just some of the units, but it cooks 2 meals perfectly. So you don't have to sit around and wait 20 minutes for your spouse to eat while you wait for your meal. But like I said, if you have the same meals, cook 2 at the same time with your Tovala oven. As always, if you got questions or comments, please leave them below. And be sure to give this video the thumbs up, like it, and we hope to see you again real soon.